Hey, it's Eran here. Welcome to another training video on passive income with affiliate marketing. I want to start by saying that there is no such thing as true passive income with affiliate marketing. There is nothing passive about making passive income with affiliate marketing. There's absolutely nothing passive about it. Now, there is a way where you can make passive income, but that passive income that you hear about only happens after a tremendous amount of activity that happens beforehand. So while that goal of passive income is to some degree doable, I want to make it so unbelievably clear. There is nothing passive about getting to this point. So that is rule number one. You just gotta keep that in mind. And I want to be very clear. Even if I tell you I'm making X passive income or whatever, just realize the amount of work I have had to do to get to this stage is so tremendous, so consistent, and so full on that honestly, most people couldn't even fathom the amount of work they have to do. Like if I was to tell you how much work I had to do to get to this stage, you'd be like, I'm giving up from the beginning. So I just want to be very clear about that. This is like my results of that is very, very like not common, okay? Now, it doesn't mean it's not doable. It doesn't mean you can't do it. It doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. It doesn't mean you should give up now. That's not the point at all. The point is that I want to be very clear about the fact that there is nothing passive about passive income, and you have to do a lot of action before that. Now, the action that I talked about is really covered in all the previous videos, and it really boils down to this process. Make a list of all the products, services, physical products, digital products, software, books, whatever, that you personally use, love, familiar with, and have understanding of, the ones that you can recommend. Then find out if they have an affiliate program, sign up for them. Then create content around them, whether it's as a personal brand or a niche audience using some sort of a faceless marketing strategy. That's the two kind of options. Then you want to build content around these topics for marketing purposes. And you also want to create content or pages or digital assets around those products, which are more designed to be your own hub, your own website, whether it's a blog post, an affiliate bridge page, things along these lines. And then basically build automated systems to be able to automate the affiliate sales. So when you're creating a bonus page, or you're creating an opt-in page, or you're creating an affiliate bridge page, any one of these things, you're basically having all of that done to build that system and that automation to make passive income. So people watch your video, see what you have to say about this product and be like, yep, I want to buy it, grab the link and sign up. So this is a great way to build your affiliate marketing business. But I just want to bust this myth about passive income. There's nothing passive about it, and it does take a lot of work. Now, what is the passive aspect of it? There is two aspects where it can be passive, genuinely passive. Once you have an opt-in page or a bridge page for promoting an affiliate offer, if somebody finds that because they're searching on Google book recommendations for business and they land up on your blog, or maybe they're on social media and they end up discovering one of your reels and then go to your comment section and leave a comment, and then they have an automated message they receive, and then they go to your review and then they read the review and then they buy. That whole process of that journey is all passive once you have it set up. That's one aspect that can be automated, can be systemized, and can be turned into passive income. The second thing is signing up to affiliate programs, which are software subscriptions or recurring subscription type services. So some affiliate programs offer to pay you month after month after month, so long as somebody is a customer. Now, that particular affiliate programs typically are applicable for software. That's why I rely on these types of affiliate programs. For example, if you want to have a YouTube channel and build a YouTube channel, you probably want to have a software tool that helps you find the right keywords, optimize your description, your title, your thumbnails, things along these lines. And to be able to do all that, you need a software tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy pays me recurring income so long as you are a customer of TubeBuddy. That's an example of a software that you as an affiliate marketer may want to use and may want to promote. So I'm an affiliate of TubeBuddy. If you go to aran.link/TubeBuddy, that's a tool that I use, and I get also passive income when people use my link. That's an example of a software. The second software is System.io. Because I know if you want to build an email list, you want to set up a blog, you want to set up your website, you want to set up your affiliate bridge pages, all that stuff, System.io gives you all of that functionality, A, on the free plan, B, on the $197 a year plan. And honestly, they really give you everything you need. So if you want to start an affiliate marketing business and automate and create that passive income, you want to use a software like System.io as an example. Now, there are other software tools that I use that I recommend, that I love. I mentioned Tela.tv. That's a video editing and creation tool as an example. And there is going to be many other tools. On my channel, I have a video series about all software tools that I use in my business. And I list all of them. If you go to aran.link/tools, you'll be able to download a list of every single tool that I use. You bet that if they have an affiliate program, any of these tools, not all of them have an affiliate program, but any tool of these that has an affiliate program, I am linking my affiliate link. So this is how you can create passive income with affiliate marketing, is by A, creating the funnels, automations, and digital assets on your own website, your own social media content that people are discovering naturally as well through searchability, and also referring people to products and services and tools that are offering recurring revenue. That's the way to make passive income with affiliate marketing. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video, is give you an honest view about passive income with affiliate marketing, how it works, how it really works, and how it doesn't really work. So there's nothing passive about it up front, absolutely nothing. It's a lot of work for very little results up front. But if you're doing it consistently, that's the potential, okay? So that's about it. As always, I'm not going to give you income claims because that's not the right way to do it. All I can tell you is I make a full-time living from affiliate marketing, and I make more from affiliate marketing than what I did when I worked in a 9-to-5 job. And let me tell you, I worked so hard to get to this stage. I don't think, like, I don't know how hard people are going to take this and how serious they're going to be about this. I don't know how much hard work they're going to put into this to be able to say, but I'm pretty sure that if 1% of the people watching this video are going to get to my stage of actually making this much, I'd be surprised, because it is really a lot of work. So I just want to be really transparent about it and really open about it, because even though the title is Passive Income with Affiliate Marketing, I want to be very clear and very straight up about how not passive the actions are leading up to that type of a lifestyle. Okay, so that's about it. Don't be discouraged. This is just reality, and that's okay. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Because it's not easy, that should get you excited, because you're like, okay, if it's not easy, that's a good thing, because I can dominate that. I could work hard. I can do what other people are not willing to do. And that's the attitude I want you to adopt. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this. In the next video, I am going to share with you a recurring affiliate program that you can join, which is actually relevant to everything I've taught you so far. And it's relevant to this whole affiliate startup community as well. And you'll be able to potentially affiliate and have recurring income from at least one affiliate program, because I know some of you watching this are not in the digital space like me. You might be doing something totally different. Maybe you're just a teacher, maybe you're a nurse, maybe you are doing something else with your life and you're just looking to have a little bit of extra income. And so the next video, I'm going to talk about the affiliatestartupcommunity.com affiliate program and tell you a little bit about that as well, which will be a recurring passive income with 80% commission. So I'll talk about that in the next video if you want to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and watch the next video. And if you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks. I'll speak to you soon.